In this video, you will see how to create an air export booking. To begin, select the air export module and find the bookings link in the workflow process steps. Once you click on the booking link, the system will take you to the list screen where you will find all your air export bookings. On this list, you'll be able to arrange the information in ascending or descending order by clicking on any one of the columns you see here along the top. You may also make searches by any one of these columns. Select the search by filter, enter in what you're searching for, and the system will locate the transaction. In the event we do not have a desired filter, you can always build your own. These list screens can also be exported to Excel in its entirety. You can pick and choose a date range of data you'd like to filter and also select which columns you would like to export in your Excel file. Before creating a new transaction, you can also create a copy of an existing record. Simply select the transaction you wish to copy, right-click, and select Copy. The system will then prompt you a copy of that record without transferring any shipment-specific references or information. Let's go ahead and click to Create New. Now the system will launch me my new record entry screen for my booking. At any point in time, I can return to my list screen, make searches, or open additional records without the system having closed out anything. If I started off my shipment process with a quote, I can enter in the quote number here, or click on the magnifying glass and search for my quote from the list. Once I selected a quote, the system will transfer the information onto the booking. Next, we'll need to select the shipment type, whether this will be a consolidation or a direct shipment. Consolidation means you will have a master and one or multiple houses. A direct shipment is just one airway bill with a single consignee. You can declare a shipment category if need be. Shipment number is your internal file reference. The system will go ahead and generate this number sequentially for you. Next, we're going to enter in our origin, which I have set up by default, and my destination airport. If I have a booking agent, I can fill that out as well. When it comes to carriers, you can type in the carrier name, click on the magnifying glass to search for it, or enter in their ID. The system will ask you if you'd like to bring any airway bill number from the carrier airway bill inventory, and it'll always tell you how many you have remaining. Now my system placed my airway bill number in my airway bill number field as well as my booking reference. Go ahead and enter in the flight date. Cutoff dates and times if applicable. Agent for your booking. Service type, whether it's going to be a door-to-door, airport to airport. Shipper and consignee. And as you scroll down on your booking, you can also declare cargo details. Right-click to add to prompt your new cargo details window. You can be high level or very specific at this point. Enter in total number of pieces, gross weight, cubic, volume, cargo type if necessary, and commodity. If you have any description of commodities, you can enter them in as well. If you'd like to be specific about each item, you can go ahead and click on the Cargo Details tab, select the box icon, and enter each individual box dimensions and weight. The system will then provide you the grand total on the first page where we first entered them in. Lastly, on the booking, you have instructions and then charges details, which you can right-click to add. Any charges can be transferred from the booking to the BL as well. Go ahead and select your billing code, whether it will be prepaid or collect, and the bill party. Then you can enter in your fixed amount. If you have a rate, you can enter in quantity, let's say weight by kilos, enter in the rate, and the system will calculate your amount as well. We'll We'll go ahead and click cancel at this point. Let's scroll to the top and save our record. Now that we've created the booking with the information we have on hand at this time, we can go ahead and print our booking confirmation. Once you click print at the top, you'll need to select the section of forms you'd like to print, select the desired document, and hit preview. Once you're in the print preview screen, you'll have all these features you see here along the top where you'll be able to export the document, send it by email to your customer, and also attach the document to the transaction. And print and close. Now that you've completed your booking, you can move on to creating your airway bill or create a loading guide if needed.